Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper on Thursday. It's today, actually Thursday, May the 25th, 2023. In today's newspaper, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. No, it's the additional of last Friday. May the 19th, 2023. Yes, 2 puzzles are left because I've already solved one, the letter Sudoku. Well, this one is a tough one. I gave it a 4 stars indication. So 2 puzzles are left. The tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Guru. And this one, Sudoku with 0 stars. Yes, 0 stars, because this one has 29 printed digits. And this one will be number 6490. Yeah, 6490. And for a Sudoku with 0 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Maybe 40 minutes. I don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. We have 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. Then 3, 1, 9. Okay. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And we have a 5 in the last row, a 5 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Now I can count, and all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright. Okay. Let me see. How about the number 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, here 4, the last row, no 4 there, so the only place left for the 4 should be there. Okay. 4 in this row, first row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the third column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s, no, missing 1 4, yeah. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Alright. Okay, 7. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this second column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. Okay. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 7 in this box. We have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 in that box. So one box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7. Alright. One box left in this row for number 1. Yeah. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. Let me mark those. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Okay. So the other two missing numbers should be the numbers 1 and 9. Okay, need to wait. Need to wait. 6. Okay. 1. Think. How about the 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the third column, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. Alright, 2. 2. Okay. Interesting. 8 and then 9. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the last row. In the last row, we have 2 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1. Alright, 9. 9. 9. Okay, so we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here, a 9 in this column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in the first row. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. Okay. 1. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 6. And a 9. 2, 6, and 9. 2, 6, and 9. Nope. Let me think. We have 2. 2. 2. Okay. About a 7 then. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. No 8 here. 8, okay. are 2 missing numbers in this big square. Almost 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Almost 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. Here, 1 in the second column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 1. Okay, and now, how about the 3 then? 3, 3, 3. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 3. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the third row. For numbers, the 1 and the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. Wow. The hay fever. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the first column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. Do we have all the 2s? Nope. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 2. 2 missing numbers in this big square. From 1 to 2, 3 to 4 to 5. 6 is missing and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in the second column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 6 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 in the third column. So no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. From the 1 to 2, 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 to 7. 8 is missing and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 6 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 and 8. We in this big square. We have a 7 in this big in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 9 goes there. 5, no 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 9 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes for a 0 stars puzzle. And we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, a tectonic with a 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.